Alright, today is September 6th. It is about 12:35 in the afternoon, and it is about 107 or 108 degrees out here right now. It is baking. At any rate, I have just assembled this. It is a 62-point star so far. It is called a rhombi isosahedron. 62 points, 12 pentagons, 30 squares, and 20 triangles. I have just finished assembling it last night. It is raw. It is unfinished as it gets, but it is assembled. So at any rate, I wanted to get a picture of it. This is the first one I've ever done, second one I've ever done in my lifetime, first one out of acrylic. The first one I ever did, I entered it in the Orange County Fair in 2000, and I got third prize. This one is quite a bit different and a lot harder so far. Let me spin it. But that's what it looks like when it's raw. This one is for me. I am gonna do the edges in a light blue, dark blue, and green glitter combination. It's called Surf. That's the color. It's called Surf. I have not yet decided what I'm gonna paint it as, but it's most likely gonna be blues and greens. So there, that's what it looks like. As soon as the 3-minute mark comes up, I'm gonna cut off. It is hot out here. I've only been out here pushing 3 minutes, and my hairline is starting to get really, really sweaty. Nice breeze. Yeah, there's no birds out here or anything right now. No butterflies. It's baking. All because of this thing right there. That thing. Well, let's see what it looks like. Probably not doing it because I can't tell, but hopefully. Have a good day.